MACH 161, Metallurgy. Welcome. My name is Bill McCracken. I will be your instructor through this as we navigate through this online only semester. I know some of you took metallurgy when it was truncated last spring, but we're going to go ahead and start from the beginning and go through all the material all online. We will not be in the classroom at all. Now, this class is an asynchronous class. The online classes are called asynchronous, which means we won't meet with your instructor, and there are no specific times set when we would meet even online as far as Zoom and things like that. Synchronous, some of you may be experiencing synchronous classes where you are meeting at a certain time during the day every week, like say on Mondays from 1 to 2 o'clock. We're not doing that. You're able to do the work through the material on your own time. Now, that being said, each week we do have deadlines we have to meet. Okay, and we'll go over that here in a second. So, the first thing that you should be doing is getting started with Canvas for online courses. This is to familiarize yourself with Canvas and how it works, okay? And this is a graded assignment. You will have a 3-point intro to check-in discussion, and you'll click on that and it'll tell you to go to the discussion page and tell me who you are, and tell your classmates who you are, why you're taking the course, and what is the thing that fascinates you about this course subject or what you expect to learn from it. That's all you have to do. You will post your discussion in there. You do not have to do a response, but if you want to, respond on some of your classmates. Get to know each other. During the chapter discussions, you will have to have a response, and I'll cover that here in a second. So, that's the first thing you need to do, and we go back to modules, and then you're going to take a Canvas quiz. Now, you have 2 chances to take that quiz. So, score 100 points. There's only 8 questions. Okay? And just go through the Canvas overview and the orientation, read this, and look at the material in here, and then take that quiz. And yes, that's an 8-point quiz that counts towards your quizzes. And you get 2 shots at that one. Now, as we go through the chapter, now your Canvas is going to look different than mine. Okay, so this is my view, my teacher's view. And what you're going to see is just the stuff that I have turned on. We're going to have my video lecture. And then I'll include my PowerPoints that I created for these lectures, okay, but the PowerPoint is in the lecture. I am not going to give you access to my notes. And then here's your discussion. So week 1, you would go in there and put it, let's open it up. So there's no questions on that. And so for this one, I'll tell you where to get your points from. So this is going to take 4 examples of a modern metallurgical practical solution from pages 10 and 11. And can you describe another way you would solve that solution? And then, after you post a discussion item, you have to go back and post a response to one of your classmates. You can't post the response on your own discussion item. Under topics, 25 word count minimum. And that's worth 10 points. And then your response to your classmate's discussion item, 25 word count minimum, 10 points. Okay? If I'm requiring a word count minimum, it'll be in your directions. Okay? Some of them I'm just going to need data, and it may not be 25 words. And 25 words is not hard to do. What I don't want you responding saying, oh yeah, that was cool. That's not a good response. Okay? And then etiquette, be kind, respectful to others, use full sentences, avoid jargon and acronyms, and use language that supports others. So, what you're being graded on. That was always my question when I was in college. What you're being graded on is your quiz, your weekly discussion, your weekly response, okay? And let's go to the assignments. Okay, we're not writing any lab reports. Okay, chapter quizzes. Your chapter quizzes are worth 25%. Now, all of this is in your syllabus. Okay? Make sure you read your syllabus. Chapter quizzes, 25% of your grade. Your discussion and assignments, 25% of your grade. Your exams, you're going to have 3 exams. You'll have 2 exams, course exams, chapter exams throughout the semester, and then a final exam, and we'll have all the dates for that. Professionalism. Well, professionalism in an online environment will be your netiquette, again, like what I listed in the syllabus and on the first page. Being respectful of each other in your chat room. Turning your work in on time. Okay? And those things. So, make sure you read the syllabus. Look at the assignments. We will not have any Zoom meetings unless you want to meet with me. We can look at the syllabus real quick here. It has the schedule in there also, so you'll know when everything is due. And as I open up that syllabus, really the only way you're going to be able to respond to me is with my email address. This is my office phone, but we're not in the office. So I will be checking in to the lab and on campus, occasionally, probably once a week, but I'm not going to be there. The campus is closed to us. So contact me through my email or through the Canvas. Okay, you can get in touch with me through Canvas. And everything you need to know is in here. If you have any questions, go ahead and just give me shoot me an email. I will have an office hour from 1 to 2 o'clock on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Now that's by appointment only, or just send me an email and I'll be looking at my computer during that time every hour, 1 to 2, every day, Monday through Thursday. And if you want to give me a phone call, we can discuss that when you make an appointment. Or if you want to do a Zoom meeting, or if you all have a question and I see it's a similar question across the classroom, then we'll schedule a Zoom meeting for all of us. But again, the asynchronous class means you're doing the work on your own time without any restrictions of having to meet and having a classroom meeting or anything like that. So look, have a great semester. I know this is less than ideal. It would be really cool to go in there and cast some bronze and heat treat some steels and hardness test everything. But we'll get through this. So please have a great semester. Contact me if you're having any struggles at all, you need help on something, and we will get through this and be back to normal, hopefully at some point. Stay safe. Thank you.